Hey there. I feel like I need a name for like my car talks with you guys. I know there was like, if you're an NPR listener, they used to have these things called driveway moments where you would like sit in your driveway long enough to finish the story that was on NPR because it was so good. I feel like I need a name for this. Anyway, because you guys catch me in the car all the time. I came in because I wanted to just speak on a couple of things just from like that are happening in the group that I really am like excited about. One, we are growing like crazy right now. There have been a huge influx of new members, like a very sudden uptick in members and member requests and influx. So one, if you see any suspicious activity in the group, if there's any posts that look weird, people answer the questions, but obviously I'm trusting that the answers are true, and occasionally people slip through. So if you see anything suspicious, if you see anything weird, I just deleted some obvious spam events. Then just report it to admin. We'll take care of it. So I appreciate your effort in that. Keeping things clean, keeping things good with the group depends on everyone and everyone's eyes. So I super appreciate anybody that is keeping an eye and reporting stuff to us so we can take care of it. The other piece of that is that because it's growing so fast, we had that post about like, what do you appreciate about this group? And there were so many amazing comments about the culture that we've been able to create and the way we've been able to be supportive with each other, have really great conversations, learn from each other, like be kind and respectful, but also confronting each other and challenging each other in ways that actually help each other grow and see different perspectives. And everyone does such an incredible job at maintaining that culture. And so as we grow, I just want to thank all of you for making my job as an admin easy, for helping each other maintain that culture, for helping me, keep things going in the right direction. No matter how big this group gets, I want to make sure that we are continuing to create a culture that everyone can enjoy and that we can continue to learn from each other on. And I will continue to push my edges and my understandings and belief systems and all of that to make sure that continues to be that kind of space. And even look at, of course, my own blind spots in that process. So that is another thing I wanted to say. We did some cleanup work in the guides section. So as we are growing, I wanted to make sure that the guide section was really clear and clean and easy to access. I try to tag and organize some of the most impactful videos and trainings and resources in there. It does contain some affiliate links of some different services that I have learned about, that I have researched, that I have talked to the owners of. Some of them I use, some of them I don't use, but I have had conversations with the people that run those businesses, and feel comfortable making recommendations for those companies. And if that ever changes, I will take down the thing. So I want you to know that I'm mindful about those. Okay, low battery. So anyway, just thank you all. I deeply appreciate what this has become, even as it grows, as it gets bigger, as we bring in more people, as we make an impact on more people, and as more and more clinicians join us in creating businesses that support us and our well-being and our ability to do great clinical work and to do great, just be great and be great. So that's it for today. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Thanks, guys. Bye.